What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Orcalero Orcala from Italian Brainrot, and you'll want to stick around to the end for a special speed challenge. Now the first thing we're going to do is start over on the left side of our page and draw a large curve for the top of the body. So let's start on the left side, bend this up and across, round out the back. I'm going to bend this down towards the back leg. Let's go back over towards the left side and draw the beak. I'm just going to bump this out, round out the beak, and just pull that in towards the front leg. Now we're going to layer that fin on top of the body. So from here we're going to step up, bend this across, and then down, round out the bottom. I just want to taper this so it gets wider as we come back up towards the top. Let's do the same thing across the back. Just going to round out the bottom of the leg, bend this up, and then in. Now I want to continue the curve of the body on the right side, bend this out, and then just tuck that up underneath that back leg. Now I'm going to add some detail inside the body. Let's start with the mouth. We're going to start from this point, bend this across, and then up, bend this down towards a point, curve that back up. And I'm going to draw a wave going across, out, and then tuck that in behind the leg. Let's continue this curve on the right side, going up, out, round this out, add a little bump, and then come down. Now in this area, you're going to add the eye. Let's start from the tip. We're going to start with a point. Bend this up, across, and then down. Go back to left side, come down across the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Now let's place that large fin on top of the body. We're going to start on the left side. Start by bending this in and up, round up the fin, and then go back out toward the top. Just going to round up the tip, come down, and out towards the right. Now let's go back to the base of the leg. We're just going to draw the edge of the heel, going out and then in. Let's fill that area in black. And then from the outside, curve the heel going out and then down toward the bottom of the foot. Let's round out the bottom of the shoe, coming down and then up. Now on the outside, let's curve the foot. We're going to go up, in, bend that down. Now let's go back up to the ankle, bend this down and out, in behind. Let's come back down, draw that same curve going up. Let's add 3 curves inside for the laces. Start from the bottom and just work our way up. Now we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the foot. Let's take this curve, step up, and then just trace that across. Then we're going to add a toe cap, coming in and then down. Let's add that Nike swish along the side, coming down, hook that up, come down towards the bottom, just taper that up towards the top, and then we'll fill the inside in black. Now we're going to move over and draw that same shoe along the back side. Start with the heel, fill that in, curve this down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's curve the bottom of the shoe, coming in. Round at the top, bend this down, and round out the top. Let's add those laces. Start with the outside, and then 3 curves inside. Now I'm going to add that thick sole across the bottom, and then the toe cap. Now I'm going to add that same swoosh along the side, and then we'll fill that in black. Let's add 1 more leg on the left in behind the body. So we start up here, then it's out and then down, around at the bottom, and then taper that back up underneath. Now you want to draw on that same shoe, starting with the heel, come down, just tuck that in behind the front foot, and curve the bottom. Let's repeat all those same steps, going across, and then we'll add those laces. And now we're going to add that swish. Now over on the right side, we're going to add the tail. Start from the side of the leg. Start by coming down, then send this out and then down towards the end. Run out the tip and just pull that back in towards the side. Now I want to draw the left side of the tail coming out in behind the leg. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Orcalero, Orcala from Italian Brainrot. Alright, now it's time for the 1-minute drawing challenge. I'll keep this super simple, no tiny details or perfect curves, just the core shapes that define this character. I'm focusing on the shoes and the general shape of the body because that's what really makes this character stand out. This is a great exercise to help develop your observational skills. The continuous movement of your pen forces you to commit to your lines and stay fluid. Now I'll finish it off with the signature colors to lock in the look. And now let's go even faster with our 10-second challenge. And hey, if you had fun today, hit that subscribe button because I post new drawing videos every single day. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative and I'll see you in the next one.